Hello students, I am Ritu Sharma, teacher of Mount Carmel School, explained you quadrilaterals and its property in the previous lecture. Now I am going to discuss you questions based on quadrilaterals. Our first question is here. Angle A and angle D are given in the ratio 2:3 and angle B and angle C are given in the ratio 4:5. We have to find value of these angles. So we will use here property of parallel lines. Two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the angles made by these lines inside the parallel lines are the co-interior angles, and sum of these two co-interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Or we can say that these two angles are supplementary. The same pair we are getting here in the angle A and angle B. So first we will suppose here let the common variable in angle A and D is here x. So when we multiply x in 2, it becomes 2x, and when we multiply x in 3, we will get 3x. So we will write here let the angle A is equal to 2x degree, angle D is equal to 3x degree. Now since these two angles are supplementary, so we will write here 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 3x, it becomes 5x. So 5x degree is equal to 180 degree. Now x degree is equal to 180 degree divided by 5. So we will get the value of x degree. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, remaining 3 and 0 30, so 5 6 is 30. So value of x is here 36 degree. Now this is the value of x. We will replace this value of x here to calculate value of angle A and angle D. So angle A is here 2 into 36 degree is equal to 72 degree, and angle D is equal to 3 into 36 degree is equal to 108 degree. Next we will calculate here value of angle B and angle C. So I am again supposing here one variable. Since earlier I have taken very common variable is here x, now I am taking variable y. So we will write here let angle B is equal to 4y degree and angle C is equal to 5y degree. Angle sum property, that means supplementary angles. So 4y degree plus 5y degree is equal to 180 degree. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So 9y degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, y degree is equal to 180 divided by 9. This is 20 degree. So value of y is here 20 degree. We replace this value of y to calculate angle B and angle C. So angle B is here 4 into 20 degree is equal to 80 degree, and angle C is here 5 into 20 degree is equal to 100 degree. So our answer is here first angle 36, that is the value of x is 36, angle A 72 degree, angle D 108 degree, angle B 80 degree, and angle C 100 degree. Now it is over. Next question is here. In this question, there is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, and two sides are produced. BC is produced up to F and BA is produced up to E. Angles are given here. Angle EAD is equal to B degree. Angle D is here Y degree. Angle B is here X degree. And angle BCF is equal to A degree. And we have to prove that A degree plus B degree is equal to X degree plus Y degree. And for proving this, we will use here linear pair property. In the linear pair property, on a straight line, two angles are formed, and sum of these two angles, I am writing here this is x and this one y. Sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Here one arm is common and other two arms of the angles are in the opposite direction. They form a straight angle, and as we know that sum of two angles on a straight line with the common arm is equal to 180 degree. That's why we can use this property here, because here we are getting linear pair form. And for this I am going to show you your linear pair form. This angle EAD plus angle DAB. These two angles are here on the same straight line with the common vertex A. So sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree by the linear pair property. This is B degree, so I am going to replace the value of angle EAD plus angle DAB, and this is 180 degree. Now angle DAB is equal to 180 degree minus B degree. This is the value of angle DAB. Similarly, we will calculate here another part, and in this part I am going to take here inside this angle to form a linear pair. So angle DCB plus angle FCB is equal to 180 degree. Again, this is the linear pair form. Angle DCB, we don't know the value, but we know the value of angle FCB. So angle DCB plus A degree is equal to 180 degree. We replace A degree that side. So we have angle DCB is equal to 180 degree minus A degree. Now after that we will use angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Sum of four angles is equals to 180 degree. So I am going to write all the four angles. This is the first angle, second angle, third angle and fourth angle. Sum of these four angles. So the first angle is here, angle DAB. Second angle is here, angle ABC. Third angle is here, BCD. And the fourth angle is here, CDA. And their sum is equal to 360 degree. Now we will replace the value. Angle DAB is here 180 degree minus B degree. ABC is here X degree. BCD, we have calculated the value. This is 180 degree minus A degree. CDA by degree. And this is 360 degree. 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 degree plus X degree plus Y degree minus B degree minus A degree is equal to 360. This 360 is cancelled by 360. Now we replace this two value on the right hand side. So we will get X plus Y degree is equal to B degree plus A degree. Hence it is proved that A degree plus B degree is equal to X degree plus Y degree. It is over now. In this question, a quadrilateral ABCD is given. O is here any point, and we have to prove here OA plus OB plus OC plus OD is greater than AC plus BD. And for proving this, we will first join B to D and A to C. We have learned one property in our previous classes, and the property is here: in a triangle, sum of two sides is always greater than third side. Here there is a triangle ABC and sum of two sides. So we will take any two sides of the triangle. I am taking here AB and BC. So AB plus BC is greater than the third side, that is AC. Similarly, we can take the other pair like BC and AC. The sum is greater than AB. The same property I am going to use here for the triangle AOC. For the triangle AOC. Since we have to prove this AC is smaller, so these two sides we will take on the left hand side, AO and CO. These are the two sides. So these two sides sum is greater than AC. By this property, sum of two sides is greater than third side. Similarly, we will take another triangle, and in another triangle we write the name of the triangle. This is O, here D, and this one part is here C. And we have to prove here, this is the part B, BD smaller, so we will write BD on the left hand side. And rest of the two sides are here DO and BO. So sum of two sides is greater than third side. DO plus BO is greater than BD. This is our equation number 1, and this one part is our equation number 2. We will add these two equations. So left hand side we will add in the left hand side, right hand side we will add in the right hand side. So when we add, we will write the left hand side first, AO, CO, then after left hand side of the second equation, DO, BO. Now right hand side there is AC and here BD. After that we will arrange this according to this form. So AO, then after BO, CO and DO. This is greater than AC plus BD. One important thing, if we write AO is equal to OA, then this is also correct. So in the question we have given OA form, so we can convert this one is OA, OB, OC, OD, and this is greater than AC plus BD. Hence true. In this question, 4 angles of the quadrilateral are given in the variable form. First angle is here 5x degree, second angle is here 3x plus 10 degree, third angle 6x minus 20 degree, and fourth angle x plus 25 degree. These are the 4 angles, and we have to calculate value of x and and the angles of the quadrilateral in degree form. So first we will use here property of quadrilateral, and the property of quadrilateral is here sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So we will write here all the angles in the addition form. The first angle is here 5x, second is here 3x plus 10, third is here 6x minus 20, fourth is here x plus 25, and their sum is equal to 360 degree. Now 5x plus 3x, it is 8x, 8x plus 6x, 14x, plus 1, 15x. Here 25 minus 20 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10, it is 15. This is equal to 360 degree. 15x is equal to 360 degree minus 15 degree. We will subtract this. Now when we subtract this one, we will get 15x is equal to 345 degree. So x is equal to 345 degree divided by 15. 15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45. So the value of x is here 23 degree. This value of x we will replace here, so that we will get 4 angles. So first angle 5 into 23 degree, 5 3 is 15, carry over 1, 5 2 is 10 plus 1, 11, 115. Angle 2 3x, so 3 into 23 plus 10 degree. So 3 into 23 first we will multiply, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 69 plus 10. So answer is here 79 degree. Third angle 6 into 23 minus 20 degree. So first we multiply these two. 6 3 are 18, carry over 1, 6 2 are 12 plus 1, 13 minus 20 is equal to 118. Angle 4th is here x plus 25 and value of x is here 23. So 23 plus 25 is equal to 48 degree. So four angles are here 115 degree first angle, second angle 79 degree, third angle 118 degree and fourth angle 48 degree. So our solution is over. Now in this question, three angles are given in the ratio 2:5:6 and fourth angle is your 100 degree. We have to find these three angles in the degree form. So we will suppose here, let the first angle is equal to 2x degree, second angle is equal to 5x degree and third angle is equal to 6x degree. X is common in all and that we have supposed here as a common variable. Now we will use angle sum property of a quadrilateral and according to that sum of four angles is equal to 360 degrees. So we will write here angle 1 this is 2x degree, angle 2 5x degree, angle 3 6x degree plus angle 4 100 degree is equal to 360 degree. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13x degree and we shift this 100 that side, so 360 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 260 degree and here 13x. Now this 13 will shift in the denominator, so we have x is equal to 260 degree divided by 13. So x is here 20 degree. This is the value of x. Now this value of x will replace here to calculate all the three angles. So angle 1 2 into 20 degree is equal to 40 degree. Angle 2 5 into 20 degree is equal to 100 degree. Angle 3 6 into 20 degree 120 degree. And fourth angle is already given, this is 100 degree. So these three angles are here our answer 40 degree, 100 degree and 120 degree.